Gogglebox star Pete Sandiford won hearts across Britain last night when he broke down in tears on screen. The Blackpool lad, who was in tears at a particularly emotional episode of The Repair Shop, is one of the show's biggest stars alongside sister Sophie. However, the pair, who are directly related to the Chuckle Brothers, aren't the only siblings in the family. They also have a brother called Harry and a sister called Lucy who never appear with them on the show. There is one new arrival who often pops up though, Pete's son Jimmy, who charmed viewers at the start of last night's show. He was seen sat in Sophie's usual spot in the big yellow chair and was shown gurgling with delight as Pete surprised him. The youngster is Pete's only child with wife Paige, who he married in May last year. The couple announced that they were expecting in April 2021, but Pete didn't confirm she had given birth until the BAFTA TV Awards in April that year. Paige has never appeared on Gogglebox with her husband and their son, but she does regularly get mentioned. He opened up about their first encounter saying, "It got quite awkward actually, our first date when me and Paige went. We were in a bar in London, and I bought this bloke a beer, which in London, you don't seem to buy anyone a drink. It was like he was my best friend, he didn't leave us alone, so he was with us for our whole date." Paige is thought to work as an emergency service call handler while Pete has a job in the insurance industry. He and little sister Sophie fit Gogglebox, which is believed to pay £1,500 a month between them, around their regular work. And judging by their endless collection of elaborate Asda cups, which vary from show to show, they spend much of that allowance on mugs.